Hi, today we are unboxing the Bosch Coffee Grinder. First, this has the capacity of 75 grams. You can make espresso. This is the safety touch button, stainless steel. Other specs are like 180 watts, so the motor should have some power. So let's cut it and open it and see how it looks inside. I don't know why they put paper, for protection maybe. Let's try to take out this paper. It's easy. Also, we got the red version. They also have black, white I think, and brown. That's a bit of paper on it. So here how it looks. Let's see the blades. These are the blades. This is the capacity for the coffee bean, 75 grams. Let's see where this is made. Should be in Germany, because Bosch is a Germany brand, but I don't think so. They say it's here it is, in Slovakia. See, so it's made somewhere else. Let's do a test. Okay, so you put the coffee beans inside, then you press the button. Also, you don't need to hold this very long. This is the power. It's not as powerful as the old ones. Also, don't hold it too much. Like, I know ladies try to make coffee beans 5-6 times, but that will heat it. Will also heat this plastic that's pushed by the button. I think also say on the specs how much you should use it. Let me see if I can find the page here. So they say 20 grams. As you see here, it's 20 seconds, 40 grams, 25 seconds, and 75 grams, 40 seconds. Also, I think here they say, as you see, you should let it cool, I think, for 60 minutes, because that's how the motor gets burned. Also, don't put it on water, because it can go inside. Here is ventilation. So this is pretty much it. I'll show you one more time. So thanks for watching. Give a like or subscribe to the channel. Also, we are out of focus.